Hi, today in front of you Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi in this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that tap to network and internet. Here click to internet section and just to turn on the Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off we should use also the switcher here, and after that we'll see the list with all of the available networks. Just click here to one from these networks. We should enter here the password. If you want to see the password we should click on this checkbox to show the password to have some mistakes. Now just I'll enter it out of screen. Now we should tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. By the same way you can select more networks here, enter the passwords and connect to them, and after that you can switch between them. If you want to see your saved networks here you should click to save network section. Just if you want to use Wi-Fi by another way, just to activate it by another way, we should first open notification panel shortcuts. After that we will see here internet section. Click once here to activate Wi-Fi. We should click on the switcher. Now we can see here all of the available networks. If you want to launch more network settings, click to see all, and by the same way you should use the settings to activate the Wi-Fi, and to turn it off we should click here once again on the switcher and tap here to done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.